This is Grote Markt, literally translated, the big market.
We are giving you guys the first-hand look of the infamous Atomic Wing Challenge.
Hi, my lips are burning.
Hi, John. You okay, bro? Ready? Let me take it first.
My name is Alleli Naguit, and today I will be showing you how to do an everyday makeup look.
Maybe like me, the Zambian people took one look at these beautiful prints, fell in love, and just wanted to make it their own.
They represent a woman, a true Zambian woman.
And today we're going to be making bacon wrappings in a blanket.
What's up, everyone? We're here to play the classic game, Settlers of CATAN.
Summer's here, and the best way to spend time with the family is to check out the State Fair Meadowlands at MetLife Stadium.
Hi guys, today we are going to Angsi together with the Wow, this is a tough climb. Yeah, it's game on, man.
I decided to finally take the plunge in my first skydive in Skydive Dubai. The hardest part for me is the ascending plane ride to get to 13,000 feet and the open plane door before the jump. But after the jump, it's so fast and peaceful at the same time.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.